Hello, I'm Sophie from Carlisle Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Audi S3 Sportback. Designed to turn heads, this S3 comes finished in yellow paintwork. This vehicle comes fitted with the 2-litre TFSI petrol engine and S-tronic automatic gearbox, allowing you to push a whopping 310 PS. This S3 is also ULEZ compliant, allowing you to travel anywhere you wish without risk of fees or fines to pay. This S3 is fitted with silver wing mirrors that beautifully contrast against the yellow paintwork of the vehicle, adding to the modern finishes. The vehicle sits on a set of 18-inch alloy wheels in a silver finish. These beautifully contrast against the yellow paintwork of the vehicle. The rear windows are fitted with privacy glass that not only enhances your privacy within the vehicle but also adds to the sleek, modern finishes on the exterior. To the rear of this vehicle is a set of rear parking sensors that work in unison with the reversing camera, designed to make parking and manoeuvring your vehicle a doddle, no matter how tight the space. Opening up the tailgate, as you can see, there's plenty of storage space despite the small size of the vehicle, perfect for travelling both long and short distances. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, we have 3 rear seats with a folding down armrest designed to enhance the comfort of your rear passengers. The outer of these seats come fitted with ISOFIX. You'll also find charging points in the back. The front seats are manually adjustable, allowing you to easily adjust your seats so you're always comfortable. This vehicle also comes with the B&O sound system for perfect sound quality. This S3 is equipped with 2-zone climate control, which can be easily adjusted in the front via the buttons. The front seats are also heated, perfect for those chilly mornings. The dash is equipped with an MMI touchscreen, which allows you to control the DAB radio system, mobile phone connectivity, which includes use of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as navigation system. As you can see, the screen is incredibly easy to use. And once reverse is selected, the rear view camera will appear upon the screen, making it easier for you to park and manoeuvre your vehicle, no matter how tight the space. This vehicle also comes with Park Assist, which allows you to park and unpark your vehicle at just the touch of a button. In front of the driver is the flat-bottom multifunction steering wheel, which allows you to control your music, cruise control and your Audi virtual cockpit. You'll see information about your car, your phone connectivity and DAB radio system, as well as your navigation system, making it easier than ever for you to use your sat-nav whilst on the move. That concludes our 360 walk around with this Audi S3 Sportback. Thank you so much for watching. For any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to get in touch.